In this tutorial, we will take a look at multileaders in GstarCAD. First of all, let's start with introducing multileader styles, which affect how your multileaders are displayed. Let's click this icon in the ribbon to open the multileader style dialog box. There are two multileader styles already existing. As I select any one of them, you can see a preview of it in the preview window. Next, I will create a new multileader style. Click New button, select Standard as Start Multileader Style, and rename the new style. Click Continue. You can see a dialog box pops up. So let's adjust properties for leader line and text which appears next to the leader. Go ahead, set leader line to SP line, change leader line color to yellow. Then click Leader Structure and add 2 more leader points for the leader line. Click Content and modify the text height and color, and modify the connection style. Let's keep it horizontal. OK, again select Standard Style and click New button. Set in name to mLeader block. Continue. We will keep the leader structure as it is now. Then change line color to red and set content type to block. Change block color to red. Select circle as source block and set the scale to 30. OK. Then select mLeader style and click Set Current button. Go ahead and select the multileader command. Then select a point here, drag to the next location for the leader, and enter the text as required for the node. Click OK to complete the command. Let's repeat the command and select a different area on the drawing, and add the same type of node. OK. Next, let's continue to create other types of multileaders. Open the drop-down list of multileader style in the ribbon, select mLeader block style, and execute multileader command. I'm going to select Leader Landing First option. Then select the point for the node, and specify the point for the leader arrowhead. Input 1, enter. Repeat the multileader command. This time I will select Content First option. Then specify the position of text here. Input number 2, enter, and select the point for the leader arrowhead. Repeat again multileader command. Let's select back to leader arrowhead first option, and then create a leader with number 3. Next, let's change it to mLeader style 1 and enable multileader command. And select arrowhead point. When we set the style properties, we selected the SP line style and set 4 leader points, so we can choose at most 3 leader points to place the SP line. Enter the text. OK. Repeat the multiline command. Select Content First option, specify the text position, and enter the node. OK, then place the SP line leader. I'm going to select this leader line. There are some vertices on it. Select this one and stretch to modify its location. And for SP line leader, we can also add vertex or remove vertex to make the adjustment more accurate and convenient. You may have observed the Add Leader option when you move your cursor on the node and vertex. So let's choose it and find the arrowhead landing points to add more leader lines to this node. Press Enter to end the command. And you can also find the command icon in the ribbon leader panel. This is just to give an example in this drawing. So we need to remove the extra leaders we added. Select the multi-leaders and move the cursor on the arrow end of an unnecessary leader, and choose Remove Leader option. Press Escape to stop selection. Or we can select the Remove Leader command in the ribbon. Select the multi-leader and specify unnecessary leader lines by clicking on it. And press Enter. Next, let's double-click the node. Then we can modify the content and their properties within mText editor. In the end, click Multileader Align command in the ribbon. Select the multi-leaders, press Enter, and then select a multi-leader to align to. Specify a direction, aligned.